So yesterday we started our friction experiment. We wrote our question, came up with our prediction, and then we tested the three surfaces. Today I want to build our graph together. So for our graph, let's see. Let's use a total of 10 lines today. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines. Remember, make that L shape. Okay. The last graph that we made together, we didn't title, but I want to title this one. So we're going to call this distance in centimeters for marble rolled. All right, so that is the title of this graph. So then if anybody looks at it, they know what it is. Now, the reason I chose 10 lines is so we could use increments of 10 to count by, because our largest number was 86, which is almost 100. And that makes it so that we have our graph go all the way to 100. And so I'm labeling these by 10 each line. We can even label over here that these are centimeters. All right, now we have our smooth wood, and we did this 3 different times. We did trial 1, 2, and 3, so I'm going to write 1, a 2, and a 3 so we can have 3 bars here. And I got a couple of different colors. Today I'm using highlighters. I think it's going to be easier to build our graph with those. So in trial 1 we got 82. And so I'm going to go maybe to right about there. Then I can make my bar a little bit thicker, and I don't even have to color it hardly. And remember, I like it when you put the number on top. Okay, trial 2, we got 86. So that would be a little bit higher. Right about there. 86. And then our last one was 86 also. Oh yeah, this one looks good. Alright, so then on our next one, we had our gravel and sand. We had a 1, 2, and 3 on that. And I'm going to go ahead, since my pen is open, and write bumpy paper. And we had a 1, 2, and 3 on that. Okay, so our first trial, let's do it again in pink. And I'm going to go ahead and do it for the gravel and the bumpy paper, which was 24 and 78. 24 is right about there. 78 would be almost at the 80 mark, so right about there. So 24, 78. Okay, trial 2, I have a 28 and a 73. A 28, so right about there. And then my 73 is probably right about there, not quite halfway. So 28, 73, and then my last one would be 26 and 77. So somewhere in between those two, maybe about there, 26. That one's almost the same as the 78. Okay, so 26 and 77. All right, so get your graph drawn, and then we'll go on to drawing our conclusions.